Hello guys, sending you lots of love and light in the nature now. See, even the nature has their own dealings with communication on all levels, teamwork. Look at this, amazing. Thank you. How many of them are here right now? Thank you for your love. Beautiful. Sometimes you just have to go with the flow. Beautiful energies all around. Absolutely amazing communication on all levels. All the spirits for us are awakened. Yes. All the securities are around. Thank you. As above, so below.